It was a day filled with fun, frolic, fitness, and an all-important awareness about nature. The young and the old enthusiastically took part in a lot of programs aimed at disseminating the significant role Mother Nature plays in our lives. In association with NewsFirst Prime, Trio World Academy had organized a Triothon, an event which stressed on how crucial it is to inculcate values among all so that they nurture nature for future. Speaking on the occasion, Jai Sharma, an environmentalist, reiterated how Mother Nature provides all that is necessary to us.
Cannot find, that's a challenge. One thing you don't get from nature, whether it's living, non-living, edible, palatable, clothes, plastic, wood, you name it, it comes from nature. It's our responsibility and duty to save, conserve the beautiful earth.
The tagline was Run for a Greener Earth, and true to it, everyone from kids to adults ran joyfully, spreading a good message about our planet.
ಹಸಿರು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಹಸಿರು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಥರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಟ್ರಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟ್ರಯೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಹೆಲ್ತೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೇಲೂ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು, ಮರಗಳು ನೆಡಬೇಕು, ಬೀಜಗಳು ನೆಡಬೇಕು, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸು ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
The organization has been working tirelessly to ensure it does its bit in conserving nature. After all, if we don't take care of the nature, it will indeed be a disaster for all of us.
This was the second edition of Triothon. We do Triothon every year to raise awareness against the climate change. We want our students to be aware of the problems that the climate change is bringing in. This year, more than 600 families along with our children ran, and we hope we will do this every year so that so that we can continue with our mission.
When kids and adults run and take part joyously in such events, it is a healthy sign that there are people who are concerned about nature and its sustenance. We can only pray, may their tribe increase. Sattar, NewsFirst Prime.